This episode is brought to you by
Turbo-tastic!
Turbo-tastic. Can James not set the alarm off while breaking into his own car? Yes. Yes, he
The alarm
can.
should definitely have gone off by now. That's how you steal something from your own car, people.
So.
Now the alarm should be on.
Oh! Oh!
My
Oh! Oh, why are your mirrors so big? The alarm doesn't work.
It did the other day. Because my dad went to go in like that.
No. Yeah. Can you get in?
Broken my alarm.
Can you get in?
I'd have to jump in.
Could you get in and start it without the alarm going off?
Yes.
Yes. Now everything is being stolen. So only when you get in it and start the engine does it think it's being stolen.
You can get in, boy.
But why would you, with the key, not unlock it first?
Because you feel like epic once you jump in. We don't have to actually jump in it. Getting out, yeah, you have to get out the normal way. Getting in. I'm taking number one.
Hang on.
I love it. I got carpet burn.